is an animal relay. And each, we're going to do 4 different relays. You're going to do one at a time. And each of you are going to have an opportunity to do this once. Okay? On field day, you'll have 4 teams. Today, it's a large class, we have 10 teams. Okay? And we're going to do 4 different animals. The first animal that we're going to do is a giraffe. And a giraffe movement is going to be pretty simple for you guys. You're going to put one hand, giraffe has long neck, one hand up for your neck, and one hand up for your little itty tail. Okay? And you are going to gallop. And you're going to keep one foot in front of the other. You're going to come all the way down. All the way down. Just switch feet all the way down if you want. All the way down to your team, which will be standing. I'm going to high five the next person on my team. Then Cameron would go. And when he comes back, the next person, next person. When my team is seated in a line just like this, after everyone has gone once, seated, that tells me, or whoever's teaching this, that we're done. If your group has 4 people, okay, the first person's going to need to go twice. Okay? Right? So when the music starts, you're going to go. And then when you guys are all seated after you've gone once on each, we'll move on to the next one.